Hey, welcome back to my video. Today we're going to talk about some food that is good for gout and also hypertension. Uric acid in high levels in blood vessel could form crystals. Imagine the crystal flowing in blood. It is so painful and hard to bear. Thinking about sharp little glass-like crystals that can go everywhere in our body through vessels. These crystals are formed and deposited mostly in our joint. This disease is called gout, a chronic metabolic disease caused by excessive amount of accumulated uric acid. The number of gout patients continues to increase due to the change in eating not healthy food. Metabolic diseases such as diabetes and obesity, and an aging population also. The use of drugs can increase uric acid levels in the body, such as diuretics and low-dose aspirin. Uric acid in the blood should be controlled, and this can be accomplished by what we eat. Today, we'll talk about the best food to prevent gout and relieve its painful symptoms. Vitamin C reduces uric acid in serum. Vitamin C breaks down uric acid crystal in the blood. It reduces the level of urate. According to a study published, the group receiving 500 mg of vitamin C daily had a 12% lower risk of gout compared to the control group. We can find the role of vitamin C in prevention and treatment. Vitamin C improving metabolism shows uric acid could be decreased with evidence. The diuretic effect of caffeine has helped prevent gout by increasing acid emissions. It has antioxidant effect to prevent skin and vascular aging, help improve inflammation, and promote metabolism. However, it is better to drink black coffee without sugar or syrup. In addition, excessive caffeine intake can harm health, so it is better to consume an appropriate amount. Low-fat or fat-free dairy products reduce the risk of gout. It increases uric acid excretion and reduces the inflammatory response caused by uric acid. Eggs contain less purine and are low in fat, so even gout patients can eat eggs without burden. It also has supplement protein that has yet to be filled with meat and fish with high purine content. Eating cherry is the best choice to relieve symptoms of gout. This can lower the uric acid level because of anthocyanin. The anthocyanin in cherry is a well-known antioxidant and does its anti-inflammatory work, reducing inflammation caused by uric acid. In the study, the risk of gout attacks decreased in the group who consumed cherries compared to the group who did not. And the risk of seizure tended to decrease further as the cherry intake increased. Also, a reduction in high blood pressure and heart disease incidence was reported too. It is very helpful, like weight loss and an appropriate diet. These are needed to prevent gout and relieve symptoms of it. It is better to avoid a high protein diet and stop drinking alcohol and remember drinking water frequently. It does work. No overeating and a low calorie, low fat, low salt diet is also recommended. In this point of view, the dietary approaches to stop hypertension DASH. DASH diet was recommended for gout patients. This DASH diet was developed by the NIH to prevent hypertension. It is characterized by lowering the intake of animal fat and sodium and increasing the intake of minerals such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Eating a lot of vegetable and fruit, eat whole grains instead of refined grains, and eat low-fat dairy products and nuts steadily. Protein is consumed through poultry such as chicken and dog. Fish and tofu is also recommended, not red meat such as beef or pork. DASH diet to reduce uric acid level in the blood compared to general diets. The DASH diet is good and approachable because it contains many foods that are good for gout. Therefore, it may helpful to apply this diet in gout patients. Gout is the most picky disease because patients should control their diet and eating habits, not only to prevent gout and its painful symptoms, but it is definitely true to eat healthy food for our quality of life. Why don't we try fresh veggies and fish today?